Igama nguSinenhlanhla Khoza.
Oh, Nonhla Khoza.
Sinenhlanhla Khoza.
Uneminyaka emingaki sisi?
Ina 31.
31 years.
Yebo.
Okay. Mama, undodakazi wakho?
Undodakazi wami ukugcina.
Yebo, kwenzakalani ma?
Inkinga kulo mntwana angazi impela. Lo mntwana uqale kwangathi kukhona okumvela ebusweni kwaba sakuthatha njengehlungu. Kodwa hayi sabona kungasisona ihlungu. Tesuke wayengenelwa ukuphalaza awakungapheli ngicabanga ampu kusanda kuphela kuqeda unyaka ayilokho ephalaza kungahlali lutho eswini mayedla kungahlali lutho eswini mayedla njalo nje kungahlali lutho eswini kwaba kumngena kugula umngena ngakhona kwangena izifo zonke unenhlungu manje akakwazi na kwenzani yobe seze wanqobeka nokuhamba nje.
Isimo somzimba sishintshwa yini ma?
Waseshintsha ke nje angimazi wayishintshela nje njengoba nje senjalo vele washintsha nje wayibona nayo useshintshile zabe sethuka waze wabona la ingane yakhe impela incane ukuthi umama yamesaba ukuthi nangu umama ishintsha kodwa manje isimjwayele.
Odokotela bathini ma?
Dokotela kade ngicela ukuya esibhedlela. Udokotela wathi ama-jeans wathi kodwa ngeke kusalapheka ngoba ama-jeans adameja yonke into esemzimbeni. So iwona nabo ngeke beze bekhona ukungisiza ngalutho ngoba lezi zinto abazazi bavame ukusazela le emazweni angaphandle. Ubona izinto ey'kanje ayikho into abangangisiza ngayo kodwa into edameja isikhumba nezinye izinto njengoba izinto zami zonke edamejekile inhliziyo ivuvukele yiwo ama-jeans.
Okay. Bengisakumama kodwa kulungile ngicela sasingene kona dadewethu ke sithole ingqikithi yonke ukuthi ke lokhu kugula kuqhamukaphi nokuthi ke ukhulele lapha ekhaya vele wahlala la ukugula kukuthole lapha ekhaya.
Ukukhula angikhulelanga la ekhaya ngifike la sengikhulile kodwa ukugula futhi ungithole sengila ekhaya. Masihamba lapha abamanga babonayo bathi ilumbo cause baningi abantu sesibahambile kodwa futhi nakhona basisiza. Abanye bathi ngathwetshulwa abanye bathi ngathweswa isilwane. Omunye uthi ngakhozi nginani isigaxa siqhoboshile nje la engazi ukuthi sani. Omunye wathi ilumbo ngakuthola kumuntu engangikade ngithandana naye shuthi wayekade ecushiwe waqamba amanga ukuthi akanayo umuntu kanti unayo umuntu. Angazi noma wayeqinisile ngempela yini kodwa nje zona zinto ephavama ukuzisho lezo-ke ilumbo umeko ukuthwetshulwa.
Okay. Udadewenu nangilo oganele kuyena obesithinda.
Sisihle.
Yes ngoba lokho esenda ama voice note sichazile ngodaba lakhe ecela usizo. Siya kule OTT ivezwa abantu ke laba kuthiwa abanamanga ababonayo singakuboni thina abanye babo yebo. Njoba nawe usho uthi bathi ukhona nomuntu obonayo ebudlaneni sisa.
Akekho kwamanje ngaphandle kwalo engagcina ngayo kuthiwa ngakuthatha kuyena.
Ngisho impela uyagcina ngayo.
Inkinga ukuthi angimazi.
Wapi nihlangana kanjani manje?
Sahlala esebenza nami ngisebenza.
Nisebenzela kephi?
Ngibe ngisebenza la eSenlusha.
Kwakungowakephi lo muntu?
Wathi umsuthu ngowaseLimpopo kodwa unomuzi Stenga.
Okay.
So wathi akathanda namuntu ngoba vele nami ngangisingile ngaleso sikhathi ngifuna ukumove on. So ngamove on ke naye ngazi ukuthi akathanda namuntu kodwa wayeshila ukuthi unengane ezibili uma wengane sebahlukana naye. Yebo. So ke sambatha ke lelo suku olodwa lolo. Ngagula angazi kwenzakalani nami kodwa mangiya laba bamanga bathi umuntu engathandana naye kuze namuntu engagcina ngithandana naye uyena kuphela engimazi lento engayithatha kulo muntu lo umuthi babemlokhu nje ngawo akusiwona umuthi wala.
Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sallo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So 31-year-old Snenhlanhla Khoza finally breaks her silence after she has been trending the whole of yesterday. Woogie saw this clip of her on a promo there on TikTok, whereby she went to Tuleleni TV to speak about something that had happened to her, and people were jumping into conclusion as to what could possibly have happened, because the host made it seem like she was bewitched. Bloggers ran with the story that she was bewitched by a foreign man, a Nigerian man to be specific, you guys, all because of her appearance. But she just woke up back in 2022 and everything changed. Her life basically changed. She started getting sick, and then few months later her appearance deteriorated, like grew older rapidly. She looked older than her mother, you guys. Now people were saying that the lady is bewitched because she slept with Nigerian man. Now she speaks out for the very first time and says that yes, she was in a relationship with a man from Limpopo, and even told people his name. But however, she believes that the man was in a relationship only now, but at the time she didn't think that the man was in a relationship, as she told her that he is single, and she fell in love with the guy. She said that they got into a sexual relationship, and after they broke up, things started going south for her, and her physical appearance changed, you guys. Now she says that she did go to like a lot of prophets, a lot of sangomas, and they told her one thing. They told her that this is Cito. She has been bewitched, she has been destiny swapped. They told her all sorts of things, and when she went to the hospital for medical checkup, they told her that it is definitely something that has to do with her genes, basically. But sounding the way that she spoke, it sounded like she kind of believed what those African people and prophets were saying to her. She says that they have wasted a lot of money trying to figure out what could possibly have caused that, you guys. And it sounds like she believes that she was bewitched, because she says that the prophets told her that the muti that was used on her came from African countries. You guys, she says that the man that she was in a relationship with is not a foreign national like it had been reported on blogs. As a matter of fact, he is from Limpopo. So there is actually a medical condition. I saw people on social media speaking about it. There was a very popular young girl. Her name was Untlameti. She passed away from an illness called progeny. And this, they were saying that what this lady has is probably reverse of progeny, because progeny usually enters like kids. They were saying that she probably has an illness called adult progeny. And according to Google, Weiner syndrome, or adult progeria, rather, the primary rapid aging disease that specifically presents or causes severe health complications for someone in their early 30s. It is often called adult progeria, whilst classic childhood progeria is usually fatal by the mid-teens. Weiner syndrome is an adult onset genetic disorder. Individuals develop normally until puberty. By the late 20s or early 30s, the signs of accelerated biological aging becomes strikingly apparent. That's what Google is saying, and it seems like this lady could possibly be going through that. What do you guys think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. And of course, we do wish her that she finds some sort of medical help